Hey y'all, it's me, Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations. I just wanted to come in and tell you I'm back. Yes, I am coming back over to YouTube. I thank you guys so much for rocking with me this long, and I am going to be bringing out some new videos for you all. So you're going to see a mixture of DIYs and my event setups as well, because we are going to be repositioning our YouTube page. So you're going to see a lot of that going on. And of course, with some events, we have to do some DIYs. So we're going to put that information out as well so you can see those videos. So I am excited because I started on YouTube and now I am returning to continue with my YouTube family. So, guys, again, I thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can see all of the new videos that will be uploaded. So, I will see you. And I want you to enjoy a little bit of what I've been doing since I've been gone. So I'm going to let you take time and watch those videos, okay? All right, I will talk to you soon. Have a good one.